The Dacia brand, known for making the cheapest models in Europe, has been growing in popularity since its relaunch as a value brand in 2004. A significant portion of Dacia's nearly 574,000 car sales in the previous year were of the Sandero Hatchback, Europe's most affordable car. The pricing of the Sandero varies depending on the market and model. For instance, the range-topping Expression trim, with optional metallic paint and a full-size spare tire, is priced at around $14,480 before sales tax in the UK. However, in mainland Europe, a less powerful version without air conditioning or many other features is available for as low as approximately $10,000. The Sandero comes with a range of features including a phone holder integrated into the dashboard, power door locks with remote, power front windows, cruise control, 6 airbags, and LED daytime running lights. Higher-end models include an 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The vehicle is designed for both short and long journeys, with a comfortable driving position and supportive seats. Additionally, the sizable 13.2-gallon fuel tank allows for a range of over 500 miles due to the economical 3-cylinder engines. Under the hood, the Sandero sports a transverse-mounted 1-liter 3-cylinder engine driving the front wheels. There are two versions, a 65-horsepower standard version and a 90-horsepower turbo version. The more powerful turbo version is capable of going from 0 to 62 miles per hour in approximately 12.2 seconds. The turbo's 90 horses peak at a modest 4,600 revolutions per minute, with the peak torque of 118 pound-feet. The Sandero is not designed for high-performance driving. Throttle response is relatively slow, and it takes some time for turbo boost to build. However, once the turbo boost is engaged, the vehicle can maintain speed even on long, steep inclines. The car's handling is simple and charming, with a soft suspension and low-geared steering. Despite this, the Sandero is capable of handling rougher roads thanks to its ample suspension travel and effective dampers. One of the standout features of the Sandero is its fuel economy. Even when driven hard on country roads and highways, the vehicle demonstrated fuel efficiency equivalent to 38 mpg. With more gentle driving, this could easily rise into the 40s. Considering the high gasoline prices in most European countries, such fuel efficiency is a significant part of the Sandero's appeal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.